This timeless home of more than 4,000 square feet is tucked into one of Northwest Portland's most desirable neighborhoods. Just minutes from neighborhood parks, the area's thriving tech corridor, and Forest Park with its miles of trails. Head inside to an open entry and rich cherry hardwood floors that flow throughout the main level, setting the tone for the warmth and quality found in every space. At the heart of the home, the fully updated kitchen showcases new quartz countertops and backsplash, a cooktop island, abundant storage space, seamlessly connecting to the surrounding living areas. A butler's pantry adds everyday functionality, connecting to the formal dining room anchored by a fireplace. Nearby, a dedicated office with custom built-ins offers the perfect space for focused work or quiet study. Upstairs, the primary suite is a light-filled retreat where you can wake up to peaceful views. The spacious bath features a dual vanity, soaking jacuzzi tub, shower, and walk-in closet, creating a private sanctuary at the end of the day. 3 additional bedrooms provide flexibility for family, friends, or creative space, including one with a convenient Jack and Jill bath. A generous bonus room completes the upper level, ready to become a media room, play space, or home gym. Outside, the landscaped backyard and patio offer a serene extension of the home, perfect for quiet evenings or relaxed weekend gatherings. With more than 4,000 square feet of refined living space, this Northwest Portland home delivers timeless design, thoughtful updates, and a location that truly elevates everyday life. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.